In the previous lecture, we have seen four-step approach. That means how analysis phase and synthesis phase are doing their task. In this lecture, we will concentrate on exact tasks which are performed by analysis phase and synthesis phase. So this question may be asked for 4 marks. Tasks performed by analysis phase and synthesis phase. So I, Professor Devi Kosti, welcome you for this lecture. Let us start with the first phase, that is analysis phase. So as we have seen, analysis phase is going to isolate the label if it is present. The next is mnemonic opcode and operand fields of a statement. So this isolation is the first important task that is performed by the analysis phase. Second task is if label is present, then the label is treated as symbol. Now, if label is present, label is treated as symbol and it is sent to the symbol table as symbol name, that is nothing but label name, and along with the LC contents. LC is nothing but the address. So the symbol is nothing but label and LC contents is nothing but address of that particular symbol as a new entry into the symbol table. So next task is check the validity of the mnemonic opcode through a lookup in the mnemonics table. The meaning of this particular statement is, suppose the statement is muar, right? Muar. Now check the validity of mnemonic opcode. That means whether this particular muar is valid or not. That you may be confusing now. Why this is not invalid? How this will become invalid? So the answer for this is, instead of typing muar, if a particular person by mistake types as muar, so this muar is not what we are expecting, that is MOVR. Now this is nothing but checking the validity, whether muar or a particular mnemonic opcode spelling is correct or not. How it is checked? It is checked through a lookup in the mnemonics table. Lookup means what? Search that particular mnemonic into the mnemonics table. If it is available, then that particular mnemonic is valid. If that particular mnemonic is not available into the mnemonics table, then that particular mnemonics is invalid. So MOVR is not going to be there in the mnemonics table. By default, this spelling or this type of mnemonic opcode is going to be invalid. So this is not allowed. And this is what the correct spelling MOVR will be there in the mnemonics table, and this we can call it as a valid statement. I hope you understood this. The next task is perform LC processing. LC processing means what? That we are going to perform practical. In that practical you will come to know that. So for time being I'll explain. LC is initialized with the address given by the start instruction. Suppose address given by the start instruction is 500. So the second statement after start will have the address 500. Now suppose the statement after start is a move or something like that. Now what is the memory required for move is given into the mnemonics table. Now that memory required to execute move is added with 500, and the address of next instruction is going to be, suppose move needs 3 places, the address of next instruction is 500 plus 3, and that will be 503. So in this way LC processing is done. Suppose this statement is addition statement. Now addition also suppose needs 3 places of memory, then 503 plus memory required for addition, that is nothing but 3. The address of the next instruction will be 506. So in this way LC processing is done. So don't worry about this. This is this example we are going to see in the practicals. Now next is what are the different tasks performed by synthesis phase. The tasks performed by synthesis phase are: first, obtain the machine opcode corresponding to the mnemonics from the mnemonics table. That's why in the previous lecture we have seen there is arrow from mnemonics table to the synthesis phase. Next is obtain address of memory operand from the symbol table. This also we have seen in the previous lecture, that symbol table address is from symbol table, arrow is drawn towards synthesis phase because from symbol table address is taken. Next is synthesize a machine instruction. Synthesize means what? Execute a machine instruction. How to execute that? Already we have taken opcode from the mnemonics table. Already we have taken address from the uh, symbol table. Now we have instruction something like this: 04, that is nothing but MOVR. 1 is nothing but first register, and suppose address is 104. So this is what the final output given by the synthesis phase. Now whatever is there at this address 104 will be taken and will be assigned to this 1. 1 is nothing but a register. Why this is assigned? Because this 04 indicates MOVR. MOVR means what? Calculate the content of address 104 assigned to the register given at the first operand's place. So this is how we have seen the tasks performed by analysis phase and synthesis phase. I hope you understood this. Thank you and happy learning.